lack of knowledge. The best quality is you need to secure the knowledge and make your development skills. Understand? So that is some majority you need to go on. So next. Okay, this is another thing is why higher studies in India? Normally for what? Get higher status in qualification, be expert in one industry and improving skills and qualities, planning to earn more in starting level, higher level expectation. Anything else is here? Apart from this? Right. Anything? Is it? Anything else? No. That's true. So this is what, but still people need to select quality courses, MBA, marketing, HR, or else a Master's in Science, MCOM, which is preferred and next level programs, which is more suitable to your previous degree mark sheets. Is it? So if I have just completed 4 years, I can jump and think about MBA. If I have 10 years, okay, no problem, I will go for MCOM. If you have 20 years, okay, job is best for me, right? That's it. So your years, your career mark to decide what you want to be next. Is it? So that one, you are making a mistake next level. Your future income is vanish. Right? Your future desires is spoiled. And future development spoil the day of your youngsters. That is what all the schools and colleges, right now I just like last time I took a MADA and next couple of days I'm going to see Sasa Engineering College, I'm taking the classes there. Right? So they're welcoming us. At the same time I didn't speak about the university, your institution. I didn't speak about anything. I said my people have called, we are providing a career guidance program. Immediately, your placement officer is accepted to bring in. And some of the universities not allow us because they think that we are always thinking about money motive. We are not doing money motive, honestly. That's how I brought up my side. The same way I want to share you for your future development. That's it. So this institution, your institution, highly just, I'm not praising, I'm not blasting. Honestly I'm speaking, they are opening a way for you to come here and explain these things. Do you think it's valid or not? At the end of the day, I can get you, okay? So normally, this is what happens. And those who are sitting here, and before they just leave this place, and definitely you have to think about your life at 1 minute, that is my success. No need to think about an entire day or entire month or entire year, I don't want about that. Just think a 1 minute, what I will be the next. That really makes more sense. That minute or 1 minute if you start to think, and your life will entirely change. I can give you guarantee on this. Okay, for all success men, or else all great innovators, or else all great, take example of Einstein. One time the apple fell down. That 1 minute thought, we got it. What formula we got it? Relativity. Gravitation, right? See, that is what I'm saying, guys. And take a try for a 1 minute and think of your life, and definitely more than the Einstein or more than the Bill Gates, you can. It depends how you want to think of your life. Right? And previous times, so you can ask about 20 years back. Okay, you can ask about Sarana stores or plenty of people, they don't have any educational background. So they have succeed. Can't I succeed that? I can also. And imagine guys, those times no more masters. If you go and see that one, in entire one area, one master you can see. Right now, in your state you can say 15 masters. Right or wrong? More competitive. And before that, if you have a 5,000 or 6,000, you can run a very good business. Now, 50 lakhs is not enough to do a better business. Right? Economical changes. Right? Right or wrong? The state of, okay, what is it called? The level of status has been increased. It's all different things. And foreign innovations. Now, those times that one, no foreign collaborations. Now, have you heard about the gold spot? When you was a little girl, you can see about the gold spot, any companies. Those companies they're not able to grow till now. One of the biggest sellers, when I was a little boy, I was drinking that called Gold Spot and Thumbs Up, and these are the drinks. Now, tell me, any one Indian market drink can you able to drink right now? Coke, Pepsi, right? Sana.
Mountain Dew.
Different. That's a different one, right? So we have a big competitors from abroad, and we have big competitors for the globalized market. So we need to compete. We are lacking and lacking and lacking. So those side, what happened, the parents are very good. When they have money, they will send the candidates to abroad to make the children quality and send them back. Okay, now you can ask a question. The guys went to United States, they brought here burger. The guys went to United Canada, they brought here pizza. Right? KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, next you're going to come a Burger King. Right? Burger Fuel, all foreign companies. Do you think that when the foreigners came here, this all companies started the franchise here? No. They all Indians went abroad and they learned the market and came back and started, and we are all addicted to go KFC, Burger King or eating Indian. Right? This is a market. And before, one school or construction, we only have sophisticated places, no like infrastructure. But right now, those who went for abroad, they brought the quality of the infrastructure management here. They established all over the corners of cities. Mumbai, Calcutta, or else any Ahmedabad, wherever you go, you get a massive number of buildings, infrastructures, it's all happening. The competitive people, those who went for abroad to do the business studies and came back India, they started the investment, and we are all found just need to go. Take example of complex of malls. Before a decade back, how many of them know about the malls? Anyone? We know only the market, fish market. We go and buy the fish and come back to home. That is the biggest shopping. Or else we go Ranganathan Street. Go to the place and come back. Now people don't like to go even Ranganathan Street. They will like, okay, just go Vijaya Mall. Or that mall. The lifestyle has changed. Right? When I was studying, I don't have any mobile. And after I just do my business, later after completion of my bachelor, I have done 2 years business. Then I went to the masters. Then went to abroad. Right? So that time only my father had brought me a mobile, and Motorola, it's the biggest one. This much big. It's too hard to carry in a bag, right? If any problem comes, I will definitely hit will get off. I use it as a weapon instead of right mobile. I use it as a weapon. It never break. I can give you an unbreakable mobile I had before. Positive thought. All right, next. Oh, sorry. That's what higher education is a must in India, but you need to describe what it is. You need to innovate yourself to do research and market and compete with people, unless until your higher education will not be bad. Guys, I tell you one thing: don't only run behind the marks of this. Learn from your bottom of your heart and what I can be able to do. Do like innovative, do research and search articles, Google it. Lots of things you can able to do. But what we are going to Google it now to fix the book ticket of the movie tickets, we are Googling. Okay, Google. Okay, what type of new mobile is market available in the market? We are Googling. Excellent. Where is we can book the train ticket, bus ticket, or we can make it up in a sitting in one place and make all the things. But have you ever done that one? This is for my life. What are the courses available there, and how I can change my life, and what are the journal articles it's introducing right now? How many of them really know about journal article systems? Your teachers, they have not known very well about PhD. Right? Those days they don't have a concept of journal articles. If you go and study IIT or IIM, they strongly recommend to study journal articles. Right? This is the most important things. Right? Right or wrong? That's it. So just go a step, a next level of education rather than your mobiles are gone next level. Your dress code are gone next level. Your systems are gone next level. But your education still hanging on the same kind. Right? Step into next level what it development. Right? I don't need to teach you, or else anyone need to come and tell you that this is what. You guys are very, very clever right now. The Google is telling everything to you. There's 1,000 teachers in Google. Right? You people are very keen. You know where to search and how to search and how to download everything you know. Just Google it yourself and you know which is really good for your life. Or else, the lots of consultancy people are there. You can don't need to come to me also. You can go and talk to them and share your time. Or else you can share your teachers. They will choose your very good qualities. They are giving opportunities for you to open a market to know about what is the status in the country. Right? So guys, and please be aware and trying to learn about. Understand? Okay, next. No, before. Okay, good. So why higher studies and overseas? This is your magic word of this. And normally, don't say that one. Sir, do you think that one Indian education is not quality when compared to this? You need a competitive world. Right? I understand the worldwide market, even if you go Bill Gates, is asking to only the Indian students, not abroad students. We are higher workers, like hard workers, and we can mark up anything. Like entire 2 pages, we can mark up without any inconsistency, we can write it down clearly. right? And some people say no, good, I appreciate it, right? And I have practiced on plus two candidates. Okay, can you know what is this? No. City people, you know about this one, you're well-known English are studying, but I'm talking about the maximum number of people who are in rural areas. Still they are following government systems, right? Who can go and teach them? And we are people started to travel to teach even rural areas. This is most important. And study from the bottom of root of the course. Right? Cool. To make yourself complete international level. Even once travel, I don't want to say that when you go and do the higher studies. Take a ride and save your money and travel one foreign country is enough. You come to know what's your level of yourself. One time. Okay, just leave it about this. I can tell you one simple good example. You guys are very wait and chop is good. Okay. The first time when you step into the biggest mall or a coffee day, first day, how was your experience? The first day you went to the mall, right? You used to look there, the way you sit, you not at all feel comfortable. You don't know what is the product is there in there. You feel shy to express your things, right or wrong? There we are. But 3 times once you visit it, you feel comfortable. You straight away go and take that. Hey, where I can get you one cappuccino, okay, or else like a Black Forest, whatever it is, right? So the first step in this getting that really makes you feel hard. Because we have never practiced such things. This is the first time in a new area, you feel yourself, I am not comparatively good when compared to others, right? That's called inferiority complex in your heart. We feel yourself, that's the difference happening, right or wrong? Right? That's good. Okay, next, learning international management, getting highest state of qualification, earning maximum starting level, get settled in overseas, facing more challenges, atmosphere, high level skills and qualities. This is what overseas education provides. Indian education just not say fail to provide, they are also, but we fail to take. That is the reality, right? They are providing, but we fail to take because we have like a very good atmosphere. All Indians, my friends, okay, China, okay, here also. Nowadays, girls also said, "Vada machi." I'm very shocked. At 2 places I went there. One, the girls are calling machi. Actually, what happened? You know, okay, machi. So machi is an international word right now in India, right? The codes are best. Even I tell you, the Vivekananda went and said to the world, brothers and sisters, you got a big applause. If any lecturers come to India, machi, we got a big applause. Oh my God, that's a great thing. Okay, Vivekananda got what great applause. Similar way I can get applause. How we got this? Even like a friend, the Namita says, it's like catching the word of thing. Hi, Machans. Hi, Machans. My God, you cannot see that one. Before, like 3 weeks back I went, she came and started to say, hi, Machans. The professor of, one thing, Narayana Welted, and he spoke, no one didn't clap. But I mean, the hi, Machans. You cannot believe how much applause we got. Simple word. It's not a matter of what I'm going to tell you, it's a matter of how I'm going to attract you. Right? She is a heroine or whatever it is. I can tell you, guarantee that one. If the word, even if I say, people definitely will like it. Because this is a fun fantasy. We are all covered by the fantasy. Is it? Good. Next point. Difference between India and overseas. Ram, I think I was sleeping now. Thank you. Okay. The difference between job and business. Let's have a little ride because I don't have too much time. I need to finish up before 3:30, right? Because I can see some of the ISS goes down. Okay, what you just really boring. Is it? Huh? Yes. Okay, some says no, some say yes. What is reality? Sir, if you're giving advice, I don't want to listen to your things. If you speak Manchan of those things, I'm very happy. Is it? Is it? Normally happens, you know, one reality I need to talk, that's it. Okay, come to the point that one, no investment, business investment is necessary, and no pressure, a maximum level of pressures in business, assurance of money every month, and we like that one, and no assurance of money every month depends on effort of markets, and be an employee, experience level will be a certain area, your experience will develop, including management level and core of business. And execution of skills and talent will be executed, and here execution of skills and talents is and where according to the situations. It is not suitable for everybody. If you're really sound enough, you can go for 3 years one and just take the money and start business if you have a college of things. Or else, and you might take my right, you just go and just go for a job and 3 years and 2 years and just gather some money and start to go higher studies from abroad. It depends how you will focus yourself. Understand? And last, difference between higher studies in India and overseas. Low investment, it's high investment in overseas. Exploration within India, exploration in all over the world. But here I said within India, do you think that one after is completed higher education in India can be explored all over India? Okay. That's a big debate, a recently happened. And I'll just give you some of the seminars. If it's possible, if you can go and visit, it would be more easy to know about this answer. Okay, study book oriented study. Because if you just take example, or principle of management, anyone has this paper? Okay, for BBA candidates, BCom, and everyone has a principle of management, right? And which book author you just prefer? Author of book? Jayashree is more easy, right? Jayashankar, yes, it's very easy way of expression of language. Have you done a CP Gupta? It's little. Okay, so what will happen? You just go and study on those sides. Even you not just study for the month, Jayashankar is good, but study about a real quality, I recommend for CP Gupta. But ultimately, at the end of the day, I'm asking a question. You are involved only one book to know about principle of management, is it? But in international, you never anyone can recommend you to read a one book. You're not allowed to carry the book. Only you need to follow the journal articles. Right? The journal articles will speak who you are. And you need to learn a lot. I have studied my master degree. You know how many hours classroom training for me? 6 hours for 2 papers in a week. What's that? 6 hours, 2 papers, each paper contains 3 hours, 2 papers and 6 hours in a week. The rest of the time, whole day I need to sit in the library since morning 7 o'clock to night 11 o'clock. And the security officer pushed me in my head out of the library until I need to sit. Not only me, and all my friends are used to sit the same way. Because no way. Because they will not teach anything. They will only guidelines, you guys go on church things. And we need to read a journal articles, writing a journal articles, getting a keywords. It's like entire 2 months we got mad. Honestly speaking, entire 2 months we got really mad. So we don't know how we exactly need to study. And later I came to know that when the quality which I got, it's massive when I compare to the 2 masters in India. True, in one paper, I've just got well known because I'm studying about international systems like China, Japan, Korea, South India, all the South Indian system. Sorry, South Asia, right? I've started to study all the nations. That is the difference. Here you just study one concept of book, and there you cannot be able to study one book instead of study lots of journal articles. And secondly, starting pay scale of 15,000 to 25, pay scale of 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs. Saving level 5,000 to 7,000 after 10 years too. And saving will be a starting savings will be a 60,000 to 80,000. Such a very big money after 10 years. What is your dream? And this you can finish off for a savings alone. You can make it up 60 to 80,000 bucks. And life settle span will be 8 to 10 years approximately. And here life settle span will be 3 to 4. The life settle in the sense you will have a very good package of estate, right? And very good sophisticated house, own house or a own car, and living according to the described about the developed nations according, right? Here, execution of skills and talents within India with a limited award. Execution of skills and talents in all over the world with a great awards. Achievement level will be slow, achievement level will be high. That's the only drawback is investment. Investment only the drawback for us. The rest of things we can explore a bigger level of this. Understand? Clear guys? Next slide. What's special in overseas education? Don't think about that I'm specifying over education. At present in current situation, you need to take a ride for overseas, at least a single courses or a travel for tourist visa, then you come to know where exactly you are lacking. Compete it with yourself. You need to testify yourself where you are weak. What? The question is mixed with multi-ethnic, innovative oriented study, latest technology and updating of developed countries, high-level exploration, high-level of understanding, completing international standard, high status and qualification level. This is for a complete program. So, I'm asking you a question that one. What was my major goal? Whether I'm insisting you for the abroad or insisting to go study in India, or insisting to go job, or insisting to go to business. The magical word of end the code is decide which you want. This is the time to choose where you want to go. Your next 10 years after, if you do mistakes, you will not get back. And I tell you something, for some people are well known about a financial background. They do have like a very financial, I don't care about my thing, my father will take care of my life. But your father will not run into your life. That's a difficult question. And plenty, I have status people, they think, I don't care about anyone. Even recently I went to Royal and spoke about it when the girl had told me, come to me, sir, I don't need to worry about anything. My father is a very, very big marketer and he knows everything. I can manage anything in the world. I don't care about it. If anything problem happens, he will take care of me. Then after what happened? He got a 2 marriage, right, divorce, and totally life is collapsed. Right? The girl has needs a certainty to know what is exactly the life. If you think we are best in the world, then nothing will happen. Every day, what? It's day for us to learn a lot. And if you missed it on these days, we cannot. Now, today you can, if I just give a chances to running race, everyone will run at least minimum of 80 yards, or else a kilometer. Right or wrong? Everyone can run 1 kilometer minimum. But after 10 years, your question is, 20 meters is a high. Is it? So guys, this is the time you have to take your decision. And I'm just insisting you more and more. In the last row, once a guy is sitting and saying, and all the information is on this side, the last girl is sitting and saying, is whatever is your marriage, whatever your future career in your personal life, it's not different. But until unless you are fixed in your life for your success, unless until you will not get anything else. Right or wrong? So every day, single minute, you think of your career. What could be? My friend is sitting right now, and he's going to explore. When you will come to know that one, after 5 years, your friend is working in a STFC and you are working in a local company. That day you realize. And plenty of people come to my counseling and say, this is my friend is working in some company, but I'm just really, he's earning 25,000, but I'm earning just 5,000 bucks. What I can do? I'm earning 5,000. I'm totally depressed. I don't know what will happen. This is what my life I'm going on. It's happening. Why? It's purely happening. So think. Now, you all sit in a one shop and drinking a tea by sharing 1/6, 1/7 is not a big deal. Your friends means everyone we can give a guarantee. I can do anything for my friend and just if anything problem, even I can help you out. The same day when I was studying in Sindhi College in Local Chennai, right in Pundamali, what will happen? I used to get one boy got fight with Pachepas College. You know Pachepas College?
Yes, sir.
என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பச்சை சண்டை போட்டாச்சு. இதுக்கு மேலே இங்கிலீஷ் வேண்டாம், தூங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருங்க. சரியா? இப்போ இங்கிலீஷ் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்லையாவது நேட்டிவிட்டி இருக்கும். பச்சை பாஸ் போடுறது சண்டை ஆயிடுச்சு. என்னோட ஃபியூச்சரில் நாளைக்கு போலீஸ் என்ன பிடிக்குமா பிடிக்காதான் தெரியாது. ஆனால் என் மைண்டில் இருந்த ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம், என் ஃப்ரெண்டை எப்படியாவது எஸ்கேப் பண்ணி தூக்கிடணும். ஒரு என்ன பண்ணோம், ஒரு எங்கள் காலேஜில் இருக்க எல்லாருமே 2-3 டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் பசங்க எல்லாத்தையும் தூக்கிட்டு போயிட்டு எல்லாரும் பின்னாடி விட்டு போனோம். தூக்கிட்டு ஓட ஆரம்பிச்சோம். எங்க பச்சை பாஸ் காலேஜுல அங்க பார்த்தா அவன் எங்களோட வேகமா இருந்தான். திருப்பி ரிட்டர்ல ஓடி. அப்ப எங்க மைண்ட்ல என் ஃப்ரெண்டை காப்பாத்தணும்னு இருந்தது. போகும்போது அப்ப நான் ஃப்ரெண்டை தான் காப்பாத்திருக்கணும். அவன் தடியா இருக்கிறத பார்த்தோம்னா நான் ரிட்டர்ல வந்தேன். அப்ப என் ஃப்ரெண்ட் என் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியல, நான் தான் கண்ணுக்கு தெரிஞ்சு. உண்மையா இல்லையா? ஏன்டா ஓடியதா ஆள் பத்தல ஒன்றும் அங்கே ஒருத்த அடி வாங்கி அடுத்த நாள் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் இருக்கான். பாரு மச்சான் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இங்கிலீஷ் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இங்கிலீஷ் உனக்கு சாப்பிட்டு வேண்டியிருக்காரு. இன்னைக்கு சாயந்தரம் ஃபுல்லாக ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் உட்கார நான் புரியுதா? ரைட்டா வா. அப்போ என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்ஸ் லெவல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எதிர்க்கிற ஆள் தடியா இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் தான் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். அதுக்கு மேலே முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. ஸோ லைக் வைஸ் அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு நிறைய எங்கள் காலேஜ் நடந்தது. ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போல்லாம் எங்கள் காலேஜ் ஸ்ட்ரைக்கில் வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்டட் ஆயிடுச்சு கவர்மெண்ட். ஸ்ட்ரைக் வந்து எதுக்காக ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்ண தெரியுமா? என் ஃப்ரெண்டோட லவர் வந்து